Well, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everybody. Welcome back once again to JJ's PC Build. You know, it's JJ with you once again. First time here, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button. Don't forget about the notification bell so you know when I post the next video or live stream. Today, we got a lot to talk about. We're on video number 3 for today. So let's get into it. I've been building PCs for a long time. To think I've seen every scam in the book. Fake GPUs, reflashed mining cards, sketchy eBay specials, all of it. But what I'm about to show you is completely different level. This isn't some back alley seller or too good to be true kind of thing listing from overseas. This is happening on the biggest, most trusted retailer in the world. And the scariest part, that most of the people have no idea it's even possible. So let's talk about the newest twist in the fake GPU scam wave. Counterfeit retail packaging. Not fake GPUs in a brown box, not sketchy coolers slapped onto a mystery PCB. I'm talking about the full retail boxes that look so real, so polished, and so professionally manufactured that even the experienced builders are getting fooled. And the reason this is happening is because the scammers have figured out how to weaponize Amazon's, I'm going to call it Scamazon's, return system. Here's how the scam works. A scammer buys a real GPU from Amazon or Scamazon. They take it home, open it up, and swap the real card for a fake one. Sometimes it's a dead mining card that they replace it with. Sometimes it's a low-end GPU with a spoof BIOS. Sometimes it's a Frankenstein card built from leftover parts. Then they reseal the box and return it, and Amazon puts it right back on the shelf as new or like new. And the next person who buys it thinks they're safe because it's Scamazon. They think the seal means something. No. They think the box means something. No. They think the serial number means something. But none of that matters anymore. And the reason this scam is exploding right now is because the packaging itself has gotten insanely good. These aren't cheap knockoff boxes printed on a home printer. These are commercial grade prints with accurate color, glossy coating, and proper folds, with even fake NVIDIA or AMD seals that look identical to the real thing. That's scary, though. Some of these boxes look more premium than the actual manufacturer packaging. I've seen fake holographic stickers. I've seen fake serial number labels. I've seen fake barcodes that scan correctly. I even seen fake warranty cards and quick start guides inside the box. Scammers aren't just counterfeiting the GPU. They're counterfeiting the entire unboxing experience. They're recreating the foam inserts, the anti-static bags, the documentation, the shrink wrap, everything. I mean, totally everything. And because Amazon often reboxes items or adds their own tape, the bottom line is it's not factory sealed, and Amazon seals it. Blurred vision, don't you think? That's ambiguity. That gives exactly what scammers are exploiting. The scariest part is the serial numbers. The scammers are copying real serial numbers from real GPUs and printing them onto the box, the card, and even the anti-static bag. So when a buyer checks the serial number online, it comes back as valid. That's how these fake slips, they really do slip, past Scamazon's automated fraud checks. That's how they slip past the customer service. That's how they slip past everyone until the buyer actually installs the card and realizes something is very, very wrong. And here's the thing. Most people don't know what to look for. Nobody does. They see a sealed box, they assume it's legit. They see a matching serial number and they assume it's legit. They see it sold by Amazon and assume it's legit. But the scammers know that. They're counting on it. They're building their entire operation around trust people having Amazon. Look at, because if the scammers are going to put this much effort into fooling people, then I'm going to put just as much effort into exposing them. And if this video saves even one person from getting burned, then it's worth it. So sit back, grab a drink, and let's dive into the most convincing fake GPU scams ever seen and why it's only getting worse from here. Okay, so here's the deal. One, watch the packaging. I know it's going to be kind of hard to check the packaging. You know, it's kind of going to be hard to distinguish the packaging, but make sure when you're unboxing what you're doing, record everything. So this way, if you have to return it under RMA, you'll have the proof for them right then and there. So they can't say, well, we're not going to warranty this. We're not going to RMA it because you received it like this. Okay. Check the weight of the package. Check the weight online to see how much it's supposed to weigh with the package. Check the seals and everything else to make sure it's legit. Now, they can get around some of that, but you can still find a way to see if it's real or not. If you're looking into the package, which is, should be clear enough for you to see into the package, and something looks funny, I would RMA it automatically back to the company and say, look, I didn't open it out of the package, but I did open the box to see what was inside. Now, just got to be careful. They're trying everything they can to scam. It's like they're trying to scam the product. They take it and then they send it back to the company as, RMA damage. These companies are not vigilant enough to say, okay, well, we're just going to RMA it. And they put it back on the shelf. They should open it up before they RMA it back to the customer. They should open it up right then and there. This is Amazon, Scamazon. They should open it up right then and there, look inside, and make sure the product's legit. They don't do that. That's the problem with Scamazon. Guys, comes down to the bottom line, end of the day, we have to worry about the consumers. That's the reason why we're called reviewers, is because when we see stuff like this happen, we have to point it out. That's for sure. So if you enjoyed my videos, let me know. Hit the like button. No. Hit the subscribe button. Hit the like button. Don't forget about the notification bell so you know when I post the next video. Until the next time, in the next video. This ain't over yet. This is not far from over. You know it is, and we'll see you on the next one.
Take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate